Hey y'all, so in this video I'm going to give a little tutorial on how I do my wig, and this wig is a reinstall from Amazon that I purchased maybe a month ago. It's self-explanatory. I'm going to show y'all step by step how I apply my wig. I know everybody got their different method, but this is my method and I hope this helps the beginners, because I was a beginner too. So let's jump into this video. So the first step that you want to do is to pre-plug. It came pre-plugged, but I plugged it some more to my discretion. You can plug it however you want to plug it, but this is how I plugged my wig, although it was already pre-plugged. Next step is to apply your foundation on your wig, and that's what I'm doing right now. The next step is to apply a foundation to the wig cap. I use that foundation to apply on my wig cap. Whichever one you use is whichever one you use, but this is the best one from what I heard. So I went and I tried on this foundation and I applied it to my wig cap. The next step, you place the wig on your head. This is exactly what I'm doing right now. Then you will apply the skin protectant on your skin before you apply the glue on your skin. You let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then you apply the bold hold glue onto your skin. You're supposed to let it sit until it start getting tacky or sticky, I would say, but I didn't. Y'all see in the next video.
I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm taking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill my eyes. My set, follow the stars. Yeah, you shall find her. It's a bad vibe. If you hit your enemies, enemies shine. If you're not a friend of me, enter the light. Cause you can never kill my vibe. There is no sacrifices. Everything was taken. You had to make it. Vibe killer. Me and no go take shit. Vibe killer.
So I went and placed the wig on top of the glue. As you can see, it's still wet because you still see the white. And then I went and put glue where glue is needed. As you can see right there by the edge, it wasn't sticking, so I went and applied my bow hold right there so that it can stick properly. So on my previous clip, I didn't let the glue dry, so I just kept using the blow dryer to dry out the glue, and then I applied the foundation around the edge. So now I applied the lace tint onto the wig. And there you guys have it. Lace wear, glue wear. But yeah, y'all, that's how I apply my wig. And then in the next clip, you'll see how I style it, how I flat iron it, how I curl it. Most people like it straight. I don't, because I don't like the way the wig look when it's straight. But yeah. And these are the clips where I comb out my hair. I used the wax stick. I straighten it with a flat iron. I use my curling iron as well. What else? And I also did a middle part. Normally with this wig, I didn't do the middle part ever, but I was like, you know what? Let me do a middle part. But I did a middle part. It came out pretty good. I like the way it looked. And then I had pulled out my baby hairs to the side. So yeah, this is basically explanatory. I hope you guys liked the video, and stay tuned for the next. Later, y'all.
I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my body. My body says, my mind, and my heart. I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is. But you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? Better last till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My body says, I know. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together. Listen, listen. My body is your body, baby. Nobody's invited but your baby. I can do it slowly. Tell me what you want. Baby, put your phone down. You should turn it out. 'Cause tonight is going down. Tell your boys it's going down. We in a zone now. Don't stop. Keep your hands on me. Just be right there. Rock my body. I can't keep my hands on you. Your body is my party. I'm doing this little dance for you. You got me so excited. Now it's just me and you. Your body's my party. Let's get it started. Boy, you should know that love is always on my mind. I'm not gonna fight it. I want it all the time. Boy, you should know that your love is always on my mind. And I can't deny it. I want you. I want you. Can't lie. I won't lie. It's amazing. It's amazing. My faces, the places you're taking me. Baby, take your time, love. There's no need to. You can go another round if that's what you want. 'Cause tonight is going down. Yeah, you know it's going down. We in a zone now. Don't stop. Keep your hands on me. Just be right there. Rock my body. I can't keep my hands on you. Your body is my party. I'm doing this little dance for you. You got me so excited. Now it's just me and you. Your body's my party. Let's get it started. Boy, you should know that love is always on my mind. I'm not gonna fight it. I want it all the time. Boy, you should know that your love is always on my mind. And I can't deny it. I want you. I want you. The things I wanna do to you. My body's calling you. I'm having so much fun with you. Now it's just me and you. Your body's my party. Let's get it started. I'm blue tonight. I'm chilling on the west side. Ooh, call my homegirl, tell your best friend. Besides you, on the low, no location. I don't want them seeing me getting faded. You should come through tonight. I only kick you with a tag. They won't tell, 'cause they're trying to live their best life too. On the low, on my own, I'll be waiting. Get me on the phone, I'll be waiting. Yeah. Almost missing my flight today. I look good even though I feel shitty. I just got back out this way. You already got plans for the city. Call them off, 'cause you call them off for me. You're always going on and on. Got it gave me something I don't really feel. But you knew that already. When I found you on the ground, you were jogging. Now you come into my yard uninvited. Come you see me on the edge, I'm enlightened. If the world was dead, would you cry or would you try to get it? Tell me now, but I want you to be clear, yeah. Tell me now, I need you to be clear, yeah. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. On you put the time on a rewind, yeah. Help me understand, can you tell me now why you made a war that was fighting now? And you fall and you run when you see my big guns. Run around, run away as a rebel comes out. Then you call on me. When you call me, I come. But then you go again. With your death, yeah. Open your mind to the sound of the trumpet. What do you want from the life of the hopeless? Now yeah, you are, you're begging and crying. I want to fly, yeah, I'm flying to morning. Running away to the land of discovery. Running away from the suffering I'm going, yeah. Running away from the darkness I'm out, yeah, yeah. I don't know the limits. Going way beyond the noise and you feel this. When you speak, all I can hear is silence. Turning back from all the pain and violence. Big tunes, now it's big tunes. I'm really right now from the side now. Come on and fall down when you see me. You know that I was there for you. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. I've been throw up the sex in and I can put you in. I can put you in. I've been throw up the sex in and I can put you in. I can put you in. I can see the whole city from this balcony. Back in 2019, I was outside freely, but now they got it out for me. I don't care what frat you was in, you can't out for me. Keep dreaming. Pineapple juice, I give a sweet semen. I know what they like, so I just keep cheesing. Hard drive full of heat seeking. Tryna come the same day as Jack rethinking. You don't need Givenchy, you need Jesus. Why do y'all sleep on me? I need reasons. I got plex in the mail peak season. Shout out to my UPS workers, making sure I receive it. You could do it too, believe it. I've been throw up the sex in and I can put you in. I can put you in. it's addiction.